Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, May 18th, and this is my full top-down analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And also make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the pound dollar on the monthly time frame, which I think the monthly down, the full top down analysis is so important. Even if you are trading the 1 minute, 5 minute time frame, it is very, very, very important to understand what the higher time frames are doing. So on the monthly time frame, especially looking at correlated pairs like the euro dollar and the US dollar index, I think this is very clearly a wave A. Then we have one, two, three waves down with a lower high, which makes me even more confident that this is an A and that this is a B, and that we are now in an expanding wave C, so an expanding ABC correction. First move up, wave one, running ABC for wave two. Now we should be at a wave three, four, and five to come. The most likely target for an expanding ABC is the 161, 178, which puts us all the way up into this blue box right here, which is the 171, 168% Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected off the bottom of wave B, which potentially puts us all the way up to someplace around the 1.5 area. So I'm definitely going to probably be very, very bullish on the pound dollar for probably all year and probably a good chunk of next year. So anyways, going down to the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly, yes, we are at a pretty important resistance area, but we don't have an engulfing move to the downside. We definitely don't have any break of structure. There's no reason at all to think that anything we see to the downside is nothing more than a pullback within the monthly time frame uptrend. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Now, I think we might already have a complete pullback. I think we might already have a WXY that went right down to the 38%. Even though we don't have a nice solid break of structure, to me, because of the higher time frame analysis, I think we might already be going back up. Now, it could definitely turn into a more complex correction and go down to a deeper Fibonacci level, but as of right now, it looks very, very bullish. Going down to the 4 hour time frame is where you can actually make this out as a one, two, three waves down for W, one, two, three waves up for X, and one, two, three waves down for Y. Nice impulsive up, nice break of structure. I think that break of structure right there should help confirm that this really is the end of a pullback, the end of a WXY correction, right at the 38%. Nice impulsive up, break of structure, one, two, three waves down. I think we're going to end up continuing the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move up right here. We got impulsive down, break of structure, should be a wave A. We definitely got one, two, three waves up, looks like a wave B. We got nice impulsive down, looks like a wave C. Now it hasn't broken structure to the upside yet, so it possibly could go down one more time, maybe make like a double bottom, but it doesn't have to. It could just keep on going up from here. I've already been long on this. I was long on this since like Tuesday of last week. And I think that personally, there's a very good likelihood that this is just going to keep on going up and making higher highs, higher lows. And I would never know that if it wasn't for my full top down analysis and paying a lot of attention to the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.